We are here at St Denis. Woohoo! Lovely station, St Denis. So, St Denis, a lovely 4-station platform. We've got the Portsmouth and Southsea stuff running this side. We've got the London and Waterloo stuff and Weymouth that side. And we've got some
Our stations
good...
are no smoking areas. This includes the use of e-cigarettes.
Thank you. Now, heading up these steps, here was about the same place an 860 loco got derailed during wartime. It was 1940, and I think it was the Lord Hawke, and it got derailed because there was a bomb that fell on the line around in this area. So, yeah, bit of history there. So Adelaide Road that way, Osborne Road that way. St Denis is in Southampton. Who would have thought it? But yeah, St Denis, here we are.